Ever wonder how your gadgets and appliances get that perfect fit? Discover the world of customized connectors. We've got the solutions for all your electrical needs. From industrial machines to consumer electronics, our wire harnesses are built to withstand the toughest conditions. Customize your requirements with us. High-tech interfaces and precise connections are vital. Experience innovation that powers precision engineering. Tailor your choices today. Automotive industries trust our custom wire harnesses. Quality checked, highly refined, and ready to power your vehicles to new heights. Need something special for safety controls? Our unique connectors provide secure solutions for high-stakes environments. Ready to explore more about innovation?